Products vanishing from your Shopify store can stem from status, publishing, collections, or settings glitches. Here's a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve. Log in to your Shopify admin first. 1. Verify product status. Go to Products. Select the item. Ensure status is active. Top right. Under Sales Channels, click Manage. Check Online Store. Save. 2. Check Collection Inclusion. For manual collections, products, edit Product, scroll to Collections, add to relevant ones. For automated, confirm tags match. For example, edit Product, tags, add matching keywords like Summer Sale. Edit Collection, ensure conditions, tags type, include the product, save. 3. Review inventory and availability. In Product Editor, set inventory, track quantity, ensure 0 available. Settings, markets, manage each market, include the product, publish. 4. Theme and cache fixes online store. Themes, duplicate and publish a new theme to test. Clear browser cache or use incognito mode. If using apps, for example filters, resync or disable temporarily. 5. Advanced check search for the product on your live site. If visible, it's a collection issue. Contact Shopify support via help if persists. These steps resolve 90% of cases. Test live after each. Products should reappear instantly. Regular audits prevent future hiccups.